Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the price of a plane ticket purchased in the train station or from a conductor is 15% less during off-peak hours. If a ticket is purchased from the conductor, an additional 11% surcharge is added to the price. We're told Alec purchased a ticket from the conductor during off-peak hours for $T. We're asked what represents the price from the station during peak hours. So let's call this price that we're looking for X. So the price of X is being represented by a ticket during peak hours. And we're told that if you get it during off-peak hours, like we did for this $T ticket, it is 15% less. What is 15% less? Well, if we take 100% minus 15%, that's 100 minus 15 is 85%. What does this actually mean for the value of the ticket? Well, percent is a number out of 100, so we have 85 divided by 100, which is 0.85. So X times 0.85 will get the value of the ticket during off-peak hours. However, we're also told that this X value is talking about a ticket from the station. This T ticket is from the conductor, so an additional 11% surcharge has to be added. So this is 100%, not minus, but plus 11%, which is 111%. Again, a number out of 100, so 111 out of 100 is 1.11. So you have to multiply this by 1.11. So when you take your ticket from the station during peak hours, and you multiply it by 0.85, and you multiply it by 1.11, this is equal to the ticket he purchased earlier for T. Now we can solve for X. If we divide both sides by 1.11 and 0.85, these cancel, you get X is equal to T divided by 0.85 times 1.11, which is equal to C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.